Welcome back. Now Canva does have output to business card. And what you may want to do is to use a business card design. And so you can type in business card design here in this area. You're going to click this button. That's then going to give you access to templates that you can use for a business card. Of course, then you'll be able to use one of the free templates. And you'll have it here in this area for you to be able to edit. What you can then do is you can then click this button that says print business cards. Now, if you don't have that to come up, you'll typically see it available here in your right side menu. We're going to click that link. And you'll see then that you have the ability to have business cards ordered through Canva. What you can also do is you can also just print off your business cards. You're going to come to the second page and then you can click continue. You're then going to be able to edit more your business card and then you'll click continue. Once again, you're going to then do one final edit and then click continue. And you'll then have a PDF proof. You'll then be able to download that PDF proof. You'll then be able to click continue. Canva will make sure then that you have double checked your proof. You'll need to click the disclosure. You'll also need to agree to the terms of use. Once you've done that, you'll then click continue. You'll then want to write in shipping details in order to print off your cards. And then you'll finalize the order to print your cards. You'll notice then that as of the recording of this video, there is specific pricing. You can price for the number of copies that you have. And you'll then be able to place the order with the card that you have on file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.